Yo, what's up? It's Justin again for another shoe review. We got the Jordan Retro 4 Green Glow. Colorway is dark gray, green glow, cement gray, black. They released today. Retail is $160. Camped out for them today. Got there about 5:30 at Stonebriar Mall in Frisco, Texas. $160, paying to $173 with tax. Got the black paper as usual. Very clean shoe. I mean, I don't cop a lot of Jordans, but this colorway I just had to pick up. I mean, in person, man, this color is sick. So clean. That green, the gray, the cement, fresh. Got the hang tag, which always come on the 4s and 3s. Like I said, camped out for them. Got to the mall about 5:30. Met some real cool people. Had a lot of sneaker knowledge. Everything went smooth. Had police there. No drama. Very calm. I mean, it could be due to the area I was in. But love the shoe. First pair of 4s I ever bought. Only thing, it's the air bubble there. I think, they could have did something a little different. But, I mean, overall, though, hot shoe. I mean, I know y'all seen plenty of reviews, so I'm not going to sit there and describe and go over each part of the shoe. But, clean. Very clean. Got the size sticker in there. Got the, like I said, black paper. And, hear rumors about this sticker meaning something. I don't know. I mean, I got it from Foot Locker, so I know for sure these are authentic. Not worried about that. Anyway, let me know what you think. Comment. Follow me on Instagram, Beachbodyboy. Boy spelled B-O-I. Email me, paidhowabout@gmail.com. PAIDBOUT, the letter U, @gmail.com. Let me know what you think. Hot shoe. Holla back.